Hello, and welcome to another Enso Demo Bite. Today we're going to be talking about sending a message during the upsell stages of your guest journey. What does that mean? Well, sometimes you want to approve an upsell, you want to send a message automatically to someone. Sometimes you want to deny an upsell, you want to send a message automatically to someone. There's this sort of workflow pattern that we've seen with customers where communication needs to happen when something is being sold. So the cool thing with Enso Connect's workflow builder is you can say when a guest requests an upsell that requires approval, you can send a message. So this is when they've requested it. This isn't even when you've approved it. You can send a message or you can send a webhook. Now, in the context of sending a message, one of the cool things, and we're going to do this in the context of SMS, is you can send it to the guest to confirm that you received their request, but you can also send it to a specific phone number. What that allows you to do is message your cleaners, message your maintenance, message your operations team, really indicate to other people that something is going on. In the context of someone who's a bit more tech savvy, maybe you want to build a webhook to update some system. So again, one of the cool things with Enso Connect's builder here is you can build your own webhook. Now, this applies in the context of an upsell that requires approval. But if they pay for that upsell, so you've actually approved that upsell, any product, flex, check-in, depending on the different products that you have in here, then you can do the exact same thing. So you've approved that early check-in, you want to notify someone on your team that that guest is checking in early, you can do that directly from the workflow builder. We do have to build these as templates to make your life easier. I do recognize that these aren't easy to build out, and so maybe you have some ideas on who you want to notify or who you want to send messages to. So if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to your CSM reps. We'll help you build these workflows without a doubt.